Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring the fundamentals. Both devices are updated and using the same Apple ID. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so they can communicate. Next, open the Health app on the iPhone and grant motion and fitness plus relevant permissions to Apple Watch. This lets steps transfer. Make sure the Watch app on iPhone shows paired status. If pairing is missing, pair the watch now before proceeding. Pairing is the gateway for step syncing. You now set data priorities so steps come from the source you want. Open Health, tap Data Access and Devices, choose Apple Watch, and set it as the preferred source for steps and walking plus running distance. This tells iPhone to accept watch counts when available. Also check background, app refresh, and location are enabled so both devices update in the background. Once configured, wait a few minutes and walk briefly to generate fresh step data. You finish by verifying sync. Open Health Summary and the Activity app on the watch. The step totals should converge. If numbers differ, force close Health and Watch apps, then reopen. That often forces a refresh. If you still see stale data, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth to re-establish the connection. As a final troubleshooting step, unpair and re-pair the watch. That rebuilds the health database and usually resolves persistent sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.